Struggling to find a hunting rifle that won't blow your budget but still delivers on performance? You're in the right place. We've got 5 incredible options that combine affordability with accuracy. In 2025, the market is packed with budget-friendly rifles that don't just compete with, but often outperform their high-priced counterparts. Whether you're chasing deer, elk, or varmints, these rifles deliver precision, durability, and performance without breaking the bank. Stick around as we count down the top 5 hunting rifles that prove you don't need deep pockets to make a big impact in the field. 5. Mossberg Patriot Predator. For hunters who value innovation and versatility, the Patriot Predator checks all the boxes. Its fluted and threaded 22-inch barrel enhances accuracy and allows for the addition of suppressors or muzzle brakes, giving hunters the flexibility to customize their firearm to meet specific needs. The oversized bolt handle offers a smooth and reliable action, even with gloved hands, making it a practical choice for cold weather hunts. The synthetic stock ensures exceptional durability, standing up to rugged conditions and frequent use while maintaining its structural integrity. Performance-wise, the Patriot Predator is built for precision and adaptability. Chambered in calibers like 6.5 Creedmoor and .308, it provides the versatility to tackle everything from small varmints to larger game animals. The raised cheek piece on the stock ensures a comfortable and aligned sight picture, whether you're using the rifle's iron sights or mounting your preferred optic. Hunters will appreciate the rifle's balanced weight distribution, which makes aiming steady and reduces fatigue during long treks in pursuit of game. Furthermore, the fluted barrel not only enhances accuracy, but also helps with heat dissipation, ensuring consistent performance during extended shooting sessions. Priced at an approachable $375, this rifle provides modern features at a fraction of the cost of higher-end competitors. Its reliability and adaptability make it a favorite among hunters looking for a dependable tool without stretching their budget. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or just starting out, the Mossberg Patriot Predator combines practical features, durability, and affordability, earning its place as one of the most versatile and accessible rifles available. It's a firearm that keeps delivering season after season, proving that you don't need to break the bank for exceptional performance. 4. Savage Axis 2 XP. The Savage Axis XP has built a reputation as a workhorse in the hunting rifle world, and the 2025 model is no exception. Known for its affordability and performance, this rifle comes equipped with an adjustable AccuTrigger, allowing hunters to fine-tune the pull weight for a crisp and customized feel. The trigger's smooth operation enhances precision, making every shot feel controlled and intentional. Paired with a factory-mounted Bushnell Banner 3 940mm scope, the Savage Axis 2 XP arrives ready to hit the field straight out of the box, saving hunters time and money on additional setup. The rifle's lightweight design makes it easy to carry during long hunts, reducing fatigue for those venturing deep into the wilderness. Despite its lightweight build, the rifle doesn't compromise on durability. Its smooth bolt action ensures reliable cycling, even in harsh weather or challenging terrain. With calibers ranging from .223 to .308, it accommodates a wide variety of game, from varmints to larger animals like deer. The synthetic stock is both durable and weather-resistant, ensuring that the rifle performs consistently in wet, dry, or cold environments. Additionally, its ergonomic design improves handling, making it suitable for hunters of all skill levels. Priced at around $400, the Savage Axis 2 XP is a fantastic choice for hunters looking for a reliable, accurate rifle that doesn't require additional investment in optics. It's the definition of bang for your buck, combining affordability with premium features. Whether you're an experienced hunter seeking a dependable backup rifle or a beginner looking for your first hunting firearm, the Savage Axis 2 XP delivers exceptional value and performance. 3. Stevens 334 Walnut Rifle. The Stevens 334 blends classic aesthetics with modern functionality, delivering an excellent option for hunters who appreciate tradition. Its walnut stock exudes timeless elegance, offering a nod to the rifles of yesteryears while maintaining the durability needed for today's hunting environments. The craftsmanship of the stock not only provides an appealing appearance, but also ensures a firm, comfortable grip for consistent shooting performance. The free-floating barrel further enhances accuracy by reducing interference from external forces, ensuring tight groupings and giving hunters confidence with every shot. Performance-wise, the Stevens 334 impresses with its smooth bolt action and 3-round detachable box magazine, which is easy to load and provides reliable feeding in the field. It's chambered in popular calibers like .308 and 30-06, making it a versatile choice for different game species, from deer to larger animals. The rifle's lightweight design ensures comfort during long treks through the woods, minimizing fatigue while maintaining readiness. Its balanced feel enhances handling, providing stability for both novice hunters learning the craft and seasoned hunters seeking precision. At approximately $450, the Stevens 334 Walnut is a great choice for those who want a refined, visually appealing rifle without spending a fortune. It delivers reliability and accuracy, proving that beauty and performance can coexist in the budget-friendly category. The rifle's durable build ensures longevity, while its timeless design makes it a prized possession for any hunter's collection. Whether you're heading out for your first hunting trip or adding to your arsenal, the Stevens 334 Walnut offers a blend of style, practicality, and performance that's hard to beat. 2. Winchester XPR Hunter. The XPR Hunter continues to impress hunters in 2025 as a rugged and reliable option that doesn't break the bank. Its synthetic stock is designed to withstand tough weather conditions, making it ideal for hunters who refuse to let the elements stand in their way. The precision button-rifled barrel ensures consistent accuracy, even at extended ranges. Coupled with a detachable box magazine for quick reloading, this rifle is built for efficiency and durability, allowing hunters to stay focused on the game rather than their gear. What sets the XPR Hunter apart is its thoughtful design features, like the Inflex Technology recoil pad, which significantly reduces felt recoil, keeping you steady during those high-stakes moments. Its MOA trigger system delivers a crisp, clean break, enhancing shot precision. This thoughtful engineering is particularly noticeable during extended hunts, where comfort and reliability play a critical role. Whether you're hunting deer, elk, or other large game, this rifle ensures you're equipped for success, providing consistent performance regardless of environmental challenges. While priced slightly higher than other budget options at approximately $550, the Winchester XPR Hunter offers excellent value. It strikes a balance between affordability and premium performance, making it a strong choice for hunters who want a dependable rifle without jumping into high-end pricing territory. Its robust build quality, coupled with modern features, makes it a standout in its price range and a worthwhile investment for hunters looking for a reliable companion season after season. 1. Ruger American Predator. Claiming the top spot on this list is the American Predator, a rifle that consistently delivers exceptional performance at a remarkably low price. Its cold hammer forged barrel ensures superior accuracy and durability, while the adjustable marksman trigger allows for a customizable pull weight, giving shooters confidence in their control over every shot. With its threaded barrel, the Predator is suppressor-ready, making it a top choice for hunters seeking modern enhancements without compromising on practicality or price. The rifle's construction reflects Ruger's dedication to combining innovation with accessibility, making it a favorite for both seasoned hunters and beginners. The rifle's ergonomic synthetic stock features a soft rubber recoil pad, which minimizes fatigue during extended use and adds comfort for longer hunting expeditions. It's chambered in popular calibers like .243 and .308, offering versatility for hunting everything from small varmints to larger game such as deer or elk. Additionally, its lightweight design ensures it's easy to carry through dense woods or rugged terrain while remaining stable enough for precise and accurate shots. The design of the stock also enhances grip and maneuverability, even in less than ideal weather conditions, ensuring reliability when it matters most. At just $350, the Ruger American Predator is an outstanding value for its combination of accuracy, reliability, and modern features. Its affordability doesn't sacrifice quality, proving that high performance can come at a budget-friendly price. Beyond its exceptional specifications, the Predator's reputation for durability and consistent performance cements its place as a top contender in the hunting rifle market. For hunters looking to maximize their investment without sacrificing capability, this rifle is a clear standout choice and a testament to Ruger's commitment to quality and innovation.